If you've been thinking about redoing your yard for the summer or getting it cleaned up before the colder weather is here again, look no further than Valentin Tree Removal. Tree care and removal are our specialties, but we can also provide you with a licensed landscaper, masonry contractor, or whoever you might need to fix up your yard, get rid of your trees, tend to your plants, and get your landscape looking better than ever. We look forward to adding you to our long list of happy customers, so give us a call today for a free estimate. Valentin Tree Removal, 203-564-9887.